So why you should consider studying in Australia? We have prestigious, globally recognized institutions that are our partners with AUSTREC. You are able to use your degree back here in Canada. We understand that there are limited placements for physiotherapy school here in Canada and in North America, and that you might be looking at another option. That's why we'll let you know about those options for you in Australia. We also, as you can see, and as Kiana will speak to, it's a beautiful place to visit. Beaches, climate, some of the most livable cities in the world, and a very adventurous and outdoor lifestyle. Lots of sports, especially for your physiotherapy too. So let's talk about physio. So I will mention this is our focus today, but you can also check out on our website if you're interested in other rehab science programs. We also have chiropractic, occupational therapy, audiology, speech pathology. There's a lot more under that rehab science umbrella. So if any of those are of interest to you, please do check them out under our programs page on our website, and you can reach out to our team for more information. But let's focus on some physio here today. So these are our competitive statistics from our last intake last year. So we had 89% of our applicants receive at least one offer. When you apply through AUSTREC, you are able to apply to multiple institutions at once. You can see that the competitive GPA was around a 3.0 out of 4.0. And I'll get into more. You can see some acronyms popping up here. So a DPT is the Doctor of Physiotherapy program. We also have MPTs, which is a Master of Physiotherapy program. I'll get into the difference of those in the next slides here. And then, as mentioned, it is recognized in Canada by the Canadian Association. So you are able to come back and practice in Canada. So these are our partner institutions that have those programs available. You can see there's 6 Doctor of Physiotherapy degrees. Those are the 3-year programs. Now, with the extra year of study, you have that option to have an advanced or specialized elective. You can do an extra placement, get more clinical hours, and there's also a research project available to you with the DPT as well. And then an MPT or Master of Physiotherapy degree. 4 institutions have that program available, and it is a 2-year degree. Both are equivalent to come back, or both are, you can credential in Canada with these, either a master's or a doctor. And then the Doctor of Physiotherapy at Bond University, where Kiana studied, is actually an accelerated program. So you can finish that 3-year DPT in 2 years. So if you have not been to Australia, or you're not, you don't recognize all the institutions listed there, just to show you on the map where those are located. Some facts about Australia. The majority, I believe it's 80% of the population, is within an hour drive of the coast. Majority of the population is over on the east coast there, where you can see Sydney, Melbourne, some of the larger cities on that side. And we represent institutions across the country. So as you saw, between the MPT and DPT program and the various institutions that we partner with, these are the fast facts across all those programs for you, just so you have a general idea as far as admissions and intake and tuition. So duration, as mentioned, 2 years for the MPT, 3 years for that DPT. The estimated tuition fees there in Australian dollars, you can see it will range depending on which university you are attending. Number of seats as well. And then program start dates also happen throughout the year, depending if you're applying to those accelerated programs or which institution you are looking to study at. So that's something our team can help you with, as there's multiple intakes throughout the year. We do say to start your application generally 1 year before your intended intake date. And then you can see the GPA, competitive GPA, and some of the institutions, I'll outline it here by institution on the next slide, but there are admissions tests required and interviews for some of the applications to physio. So here is that breakdown for you by school. And you can see some of the prerequisites here as well. Anatomy is a big one, and we hear this from our students as well. Know your anatomy. It's going to be a prerequisite for all of them, and it's very heavy within the first year or so of the program as well. And this is what our team can help you with when you apply through Austrek. We do know all of the course codes. So when you send us your transcripts with regards to prerequisites, we will make sure you're eligible and competitive to apply to the universities you're interested in. Using your degree in Canada. So there's one additional step when coming back to Canada to practice compared to your domestic graduates. So there is an online context of physiotherapy course that you will, a Canadian competency course that you will have to take. And then you can see it's internationally recognized. Your clinical hours will be assessed. There's a minimum. You can select your electives and track your hours for your program, and then it will differ a little bit depending on which province you want to come back and practice in. The licensing body will help you figure that out. And then Austrek can help you with that as well. And I'll outline on the next step here, just more about that. The context of physiotherapy in Canada online course. So Kiana will speak to her experience with that as she's just completed that. Then you submit your credentials to the CAPR. And then you write your competency exam, and then you're registered in your regulatory body, with the provincial regulatory body. So there is just that one extra step of the online course, and then you write the same competency exams as domestic graduates. Now, when it comes to financing your studies, as you saw there with the estimated tuition range, these are international fees. So there's a variety of ways you can look to finance your international degree. You are able to use your provincial loans towards your international education. You can also look to get a line of credit or a student loan from the banks here in Canada. And then we do have some students who use a variety of family support savings, lines of credit, that kind of thing to finance the entirety of the study. You do also have working rights when you're over on a student visa. So you can work part-time or 24 hours a week when you're in semester. And then when you're on break, you have the ability to work full-time on the student visa. And as you can see here, our dollar is actually stronger in Australia. So we make up for a little bit in the exchange, which is great, as cost of living can be quite similar to here in Canada, and our dollar goes a little bit further. And a little bit more about the team at Austrek. So what does Austrek do? So we are a student-first full support system. We partner with the institutions over in Australia and New Zealand, and we help students through the application process for free. We are able to provide our services for free because we're funded by those university partners. So from this step of thinking, hey, I'm kind of interested in considering studying in Australia, great, I've got some information, where do I go next? That's when you'll look to start your profile with Austrek. We can then help you assess, we can assess your transcripts as mentioned. We'll review those and make sure that you have all your prereqs and that you're eligible and competitive to apply to the programs you'd like to apply to. Our team can also help you pick out which institutions you would be most competitive to apply to, and then help you with things like scholarship opportunities, sports teams, lifestyle, cost of living, all of that goes into making that decision right for you and finding the best fit for you over there. We also are able to connect you with current students, as we are this evening with a guest speaker with Kiana, who's a recent grad, and alumni whenever possible, so you can hear from the student first experience as well. So that step-by-step again looks like starting your profile with us, getting those applications started. We take a look at those transcripts, make sure you're eligible and competitive. We verify those transcripts and can use them on all your applications. So you just have to send us one set. The majority of those application fees from our institutions are waived when you apply through Austrek as well. And our team actually submits those applications on your behalf. So you will not be dealing with different portals, different deadlines, timelines, those application fees. If you go through Austrek, we handle all that for you. And then what we do as well is we have these pre-departure events where we actually get students together in person once they've accepted their offers and are ready to go study across the world. We hold those in Toronto and Vancouver every year. And that way students can meet their future classmates, potential roommates and friends in person before they head over. So when you apply with Austrek, we say you're never alone. You become an Austrekker and you're part of the family. Lily is our student advisor with Rehab Sciences. So when you reach out to her with any questions, she's going to be the one helping you through the application process. And when you should start your application, so there, as mentioned again, rehabscience@austrek.com. We do help you pick which schools you'd be a top choice or your top choices and which you'd be most competitive for. And we always say try to start a year before your desired intake. This gives you time to accept that offer, get your financing sorted, and then get all those next steps in line, accommodation, banking, health checks, visas, flights, all that good stuff to get you set up to go across the world to study.